Hi everyone, my name is Lisette and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my first impressions, thoughts, and I will be reviewing M Cosmetics' newest launch, which is their Moonbeam Cushion Highlighter. Are you guys excited like I am? Because I am super excited, so let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, here is the packaging. This is what the box looks like. It has a beautiful crescent moon right there, their M Cosmetics logo, and of course the name of the product, which is the Moonbeam Cushion Highlighter, and the shade that I picked is called Halo. Look at the box. Right here it tells you the shade, and it also gives you what the color looks like. And also, I gotta show you, this is super cute. In the back of the box here, it has the little moon faces, which I thought it was super adorable. So let's get this baby out of the box, and here we are. Here's the Moonbeam Cushion Highlighter by M Cosmetics. This is made in Korea, you guys, and right there it tells you the shade that I picked, which is Halo. And thanks to you guys for helping me choose this shade as part of the poll that I posted on my IG stories. Let me show you the packaging. It's super sleek, travel friendly. I like the iridescent right here, the colors, the little shimmers. It's a really cool packaging, kind of like cosmic moonlight, I feel like. All right, let's open her up. So you just push down here, and there she is. There's a puff right there, and of course it has a mirror there. Let's open her up right here, and you have this beautiful label that you of course have to remove, and it says "Be the Light." Oh, how cute is that? Yes, you guys, be the light. Okay, let's dive in and use a little puff here. It's really nice. It's not like those puffs that they feel like you want to throw them out like immediately as soon as you see it. Yeah, not this one. This one feels quite nice. It feels like it's gonna last you a long time. Here is the product. I feel like I grabbed a ton of product, but you can already see and tell the sheen and the glow that is going to give our face. Okay, let's go ahead and put this baby on. Also, before I apply this on the face, I'm currently wearing a full face of M Cosmetics, so I am wearing the Daydream Cushion Foundation all over the face, and also the Heaven's Glow in Magic Hour, and also the eyes. I will link all the items in the description box if you guys are curious about this full face of M Cosmetics. Of course I have to use M Cosmetics for this video, you guys. I mean, right? Okay, let me start applying this on the cheeks here. Are we ready? Whoa, you guys see? Oh, wow. Okay, let's diffuse her. Let's diffuse. Wow. I am beaming. Let's diffuse her. I will also use my fingers. Let's do that to diffuse the highlighter. You only need a little bit by the looks of it. If I'm being honest, a little bit goes a long way, and I'm just going to apply it on the highest points of my face where I want that glow to show. Oh, yes ma'am. Yes girl, yes. Okay, look you guys, this side with Moonbeam and this side without it. No. I'm gonna use whatever's left on the sponge and apply it here. Let's see. Ooh, see? Like I said, you don't need a lot. Wow. This is so nice. It's blending beautifully on the skin. I do not see any chunky glitters like you do with other highlighters. this one is super nice. It gives you a nice sheen, skin-like glow. You guys can see from afar. I'm going to dive back in here again, and I'm going to apply some here on my chin. On the chin, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose. And maybe, and I feel like I want to apply some, whatever's left on the puff here, I'm just going to tap that into here, my forehead. I will also sort of diffuse it with my finger, although you can also diffuse it with the puff that it came with, but I wanted to use my finger. And this is what's left on my finger. Let me use a clean finger, which this one right here. And I will go back in and diffuse it some more to see how much more product is going to grab, or how much more product my finger is going to grab. Also here, the tip of my nose, and here we are. So it didn't grab that much product now, unlike the first finger that we used. Look at the second one. Here we are. Do we like the glow? I mean, I'm loving it, you guys. This Moonbeam highlighter cushion is infused with great skincare ingredients like Sacha Inchi oil, esqualene, vitamin E, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, you guys. All of these ingredients will help you illuminate your skin. It'll give it that beautiful glow that we all want, because you know what? We're all glow getters, are we not? Raise your hand, comment down below, let me know that you are a glow getter too. Do see a radiance, a luminosity to my skin. I'm sure you guys can see it too. I am loving this cushion highlighter already, you guys. I will definitely be purchasing probably a different shade. BALM Cosmetics has 3 shades right now. The first one is Aura, the second one's Halo, and the third one is called Divinity. Alright, you guys, this was a super quick review of BALM Cosmetics Moonbeam Cushion Highlighter. What do we think? Do we love? I do love it, if I may say so myself. I'm so happy with it. Really happy with this purchase. I am glad that they came out with this cushion highlighter. I'm a K-beauty lover. I love cushion foundations, and a cushion highlighter, yes, because you know what? She is dewy, she is glowing, she's thriving, and she's got that cosmic moonlight glow. Yes, I do. Alright, you guys, I will see you on my next video. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you on my next video. Besitos! This highlighter is making me feel like a glowing goddess. Like moonlight, you have nothing on me right now, okay? Beam.